In this session, we shall do the lesson The Story of Tea from Let Us Begin to take over his empire. The story of tea. Let us begin with a question. Can you name the most widely consumed beverage in the world after water? So can you name, क्या आप बता सकते हैं, widely, very extensively consumed, which is taken, beverage, that is any drink in the world after water? Perhaps, maybe, कदाचित, many of you have guessed the answer. आप में से बहुत लोगों ने guess यानी पहचाना होगा. The most popular beverage in the world is tea. So सबसे popular beverage पेय tea. The fresh aromatic brew with which people like to begin their day. Aromatic, that is, which has a very pleasant smell. Fragrant brew, which is made by boiling. Yes, जिसे उबाल लाने से बनाते हैं ऐसा. With which people like to begin their day. It has a refreshing astringent flavor. Refreshing, जो आपको fresh करे ऐसा. Astringent, actually astringent means a little bit खट्टा भी होता है और थोड़ा सा कड़वा भी होता है. Okay, that is a little bit bitter also. But in this context, it is bitter. Okay, the tea is bitter, astringent flavor. It is actually made by brewing. The tea is made by brewing, that is by boiling. That is by infusing the boiling water, the leaves and the shoot of the plant. By infusing, the meaning of infuse is you boil with the water, so the properties of the leaves, okay, are transferred to the water. यानी infuse होता है यानी पानी उबालते हैं और उसके कारण जो भी चाय की जो पत्तियां हैं उनका जो गुण है वह पानी में उतर जाता है, उनका जो सत्व है वो. And shoot of the plants whose botanical name is the Camellia sinensis. और उसका जो botanical नाम है that is Camellia sinensis. The leaves are at first dried. सुखाया जाता है. Cured. Now this is very important word, cured. That means they are processed. Okay, they are treated with salt or the smoke. उन्हें either यानी salt से यानी नमक के साथ कुछ प्रक्रिया की जाती है जिससे वो ज्यादा देर प्रिजर्व हो सके. And processed before they are packed and sold to us. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in tropical and subtropical climates. यानी उष्ण और समशीतोष्ण कटिबंध में वह उसकी पैदावार होती है. Tea plants require at least 100 to 125 centimeter of rainfall a year and prefer acidic soils. Many of the world's best tea estates are situated on the hill slopes at elevation of up to 1500 meters. यानी वे पर्वत पर यानी ऊंचाई पर उसकी खेती की जाती है. It is said that the tea plants grow slowly and acquire a richer flavor at this height. और अगर हम इस हाइट पर टी प्लांट का प्लांटेशन करते हैं, the tea plant grows very slowly but the taste is very nice. When the plant mature, जब वो पूरा बड़ा हो जाता है, only the top 1 to 2 inches of the plants are picked. These buds and leaves, buds that is delicate leaves, okay, बहुत ही नाजुक वाले नए उगाने वाले पत्ते are called flushes. उन्हें flushes कहा जाता है. A new flush appears on the plant every 7 to 10 days during the peak growing season. Left to grow on its own, अगर इस पत्ते को अगर हम उसके टहनियां नहीं काटते हैं, the tea plant may actually grow into a small tree. वो छोटा सा पेड़ बन सकता है, but in all the tea gardens, the plants are pruned, that is to cut, so that it grows very well. Okay, उसकी छाटनी की जाती है and kept at a height of about 3 feet. और उसकी जो ऊंचाई है और उसकी ऊंचाई केवल 3 फीट रखी जाती है, that is a waist high, यानी कमर तक. Why? To enable easy plucking of the leaves, ताकि बड़ी आसानी से पत्ते तोड़े जा सके. The tea was The teas we buy are usually classified according to their leaf size. पत्तों के साइज के अनुसार उनका वर्गीकरण किया जाता है. According to we have Assam type of a tea, characterized by the largest leaves. Assam tea, जिसके पत्ते सबसे बड़े होते हैं. China type, characterized by the smallest leaves, सबसे छोटे पत्ते. And Cambodge, characterized by the leaves of intermediate size. Intermediate यानी दोनों के बीच वाले साइज के. We have 3 very distinct and different tree-growing regions in India. Distinct यानी बहुत ही अलग. ओके, आपको तुरंत मालूम पड़ जाए ऐसे वाले tree-growing region यानी भूप्रदेश. Each of these regions is famous for the special type of a tea it produces. और ये प्रत्येक भूप्रदेश खास अलग ढंग की ऐसी चाय प्रोड्यूस करता है. Which are unique in taste, उनकी स्वाद, अरोमा स्मेल, स्ट्रेंथ यानी उसका जो कड़क है, जैसे हम कहते हैं चाय कड़क बनी, एंड फ्लेवर उसका स्वाद. द 3 रीजन्स आर, और वो जो 3 प्रदेश है, दार्जिलिंग इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया, आसाम इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, एंड नीलगिरीज इन साउथ इंडिया. Most people agree that tea is a refreshing drink. Okay, people agree that it is refreshing, यानी आपको ताज़ा तवाना बना देता है. It contains no carbohydrates, fat or proteins. इसमें ना fats है, ना carbohydrates and proteins है. What gives tea its special distinctive flavor is, फिर उसको ये flavor या स्वाद कहाँ से आता है? So there are 2 things there. What is that? Theanine as well as caffeine. So it gets a flavor through theanine and caffeine, which give the drink its stimulating qualities. Stimulating, जो हमें फिर से एक बार उद्दीपित करता है. It makes us fresh. It makes us feel enthusiastic. How and when did people first begin to drink tea? सबसे पहले लोगों ने कब चाय पीना शुरू किया? An amusing story has come down to us from Chinese legends. Amusing, very funny story has come down, यानी पहले से ट्रेडिशनली वी हैव कम टू नो. ओके, हमारे पुरखों से चली आई कुछ कहानियां हैं, उसमें से एक लीजेंड, वन स्टोरी आई विल टेल यू. वेरी पॉपुलर स्टोरी. इट इज सेड, ऐसा कहा जाता है, द एम्परर शेंगनोंग, द फादर ऑफ चाइनीज एग्रीकल्चर एंड मेडिसिन, वॉज ऑन हिज ट्रैवल. ओके, ये जो है एम्परर, he was on travel, सफर कर रहा था, when a servant was boiling some water for the emperor to drink. कुछ पानी पीने के लिए उबाला जा रहा था. Just then a few leaves from the nearby tree blew into the boiling water. और आसपास से कुछ पत्ते उड़कर उसमें गिर पड़े. The water immediately changed color. अरे, उसका तो तुरंत रंग ही बदल गया. On drinking the water, the emperor was amazed. The emperor was surprised by the rich flavor, क्या स्वाद है, and the refreshing quality of the resulting infusion. And refreshing, उसे जड़ से तरोताजा लगा. Excited by the unknown plant and its amazing flavor, he was so excited. अरे, क्या स्वाद है. He carried out further investigations. उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन यानी क्वेरीज की, उसने और जानकारी मिलाई. ही गॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड डिस्कवर्ड, और उसे पता चला दैट टी हैड मेनी हीलिंग एंड रेस्टोरेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज. टी हैज मेनी हीलिंग, दैट इट क्यूअर्स यानी वो आपको ठीक करता है, एंड रेस्टोरेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज यानी आपको वापस एक बार तरोताजा करने के, इट गिव्स यू बैक योर स्ट्रेंथ. आपकी जो शक्ति है वो वापस आपको देता है, वापस आपको हेल्दी महसूस करा देता है. प्रॉपर्टीज, गुणधर्म. And could also be used as an antidote to certain poisons. और वो antidote यानी विष हरने के काम भी आता है. ओके, यानी कोई antidote करके काम करता है. Yet another legend tells us there is one more story. ओके, और एक स्टोरी है, वो हमें बताती है that it was the Buddhist monk named बोधिधर्म. सच पूछे तो एक बुद्धिस्ट मंक थे. ओके, वे जो रहते हैं मंक, पूरे यानी टकले वगैरह होते हैं, एंड नेम्ड बोधिधर्म. हु वाज द फर्स्ट टू यूज द टी एज अ ड्रिंक. उन्होंने सबसे पहले चाय पी. ही वाज कीन, ही वाज वेरी ईगर टू नो वे बड़े उत्सुक थे to find a herb, a medicinal plant which would help him stay awake and alert for a long period of time in prayer and meditation. वे ऐसे तलाश में थे कोई पौधे के जो उन्हें ज्यादा से ज्यादा देर तक जगा रख सके फॉर प्रेयर, प्रार्थना, और अपना मेडिटेशन, ध्यान लगाते समय. आफ्टर कंसिडरेबल सर्च एंड ट्रायल, उन्होंने काफी सारा रिसर्च किया, बहुत सारे ट्रायल लिए. He found that chewing leaves from the tea shrub acted as a stimulant. And then he came to know that अगर हम चाय के पत्ते खाते, they act as a stimulant, they make you fresh, helping him to stay awake. और जगने के लिए वो मदद करते हैं. It was he who introduced tea among the disciples in China. और फिर उन्होंने यही इंट्रोड्यूस, उसकी पहचान कराई उनके सारे जो डिसाइपल्स हैं, शिष्य हैं, उन्हें भी दिया उन्होंने. इट इज सेड दैट जापानीज प्रिस्ट, यानी जापानीज एक पुजारी था, स्टडिंग अंडर द बुद्धिस्ट टीचर्स इन चाइना, कैरिड टी सीड्स, उसने सारे वो जो टी के सीड्स है, बीज है, एंड लिव्स बैक होम विद देम, वो अपने अपने जापान को लेकर गए. Turkish traders also began to bargain for the tea on the border of Mongolia. टी इतना फेमस हो गया that Turkish traders, यानी जो व्यापारी थे, they were ready to bargain यानी भावताव करना, on Mongolia border. They were ready to exchange something instead of tea, or in the exchange of tea, यानी चाय के बदले वे कुछ देने के लिए तैयार थे. You know, in those days, it was a barter system. Barter system यानी एक वस्तु विनिमय पद्धति, यानी एक वस्तु के बदले दूसरी वस्तु. यानी चाय इतनी फेमस हो गई कि वह वस्तु विनिमय के काम आने लगी. In fact, the story goes that the Chinese emperor Huizong, अच्छा कहानी तो ऐसी भी कही जाती है, तीसरी वाली, Huizong was so taken up with tea, वे तो इतने चाय के दीवाने हो गए. To be taken up with, that means you like something, you get interested in something very much. उनको इतना लगाव हो गया चाय से that he established a research into the best tea whisking methods. Okay, tea whisking, that is tea making methods का उन्होंने एक research का institution ही खोल दिया. And also hosted, he arranged tea making and tea tasting tournaments in the court. और वे अपने दरबार में चाय बनाने के तरीके और उनको टेस्ट करने के जो है वे स्पर्धाएं रखते थे. So tea-minded was he that he failed to notice that Mongolia had actually taken over his empire. और ये जो राजा था, he was so tea-minded, उसके दिमाग में इतना टी था, यानी वो इतना सारा दिन टी के बारे में सोचा करता था कि he failed to notice, he did not notice, उसे पता तक नहीं चला कि उसका जो राज्य है तो मंगोलिया ने उस पर कब्जा कर लिया है, इसका उसे पता तक नहीं चला. So we have finished with the text and now we shall learn the words. Okay, words and its meaning. I have written it for you. Story, tale, saga. Let's. To begin, that is to start. Widely, extensively, everywhere. Consume, that is to drink and eat. Consumption is the noun. Beverage, any liquid for drinking. Pay. World, universe, cosmos. Perhaps, maybe, kadachit. Popular, famous. Aromatic, pleasant and distinctive smell. Fragrant. The plant has aromatic blossoms. Mint is an aromatic herb. Astringent, very sharp, slightly acidic or bitter. I like the astringent lemon. The grapes are astringent. Flavor, taste. Brew, boil. Keep in hot water. Cure, treat with salt or smoke to preserve. Doctors tried to find a cure. This cure means ilaj. Fish are cured with salt. Camellia sinensis, require, need. elevation, piece of a ground higher than the ground. Mature, grown, buds, small leaves, or we can say delicate shoots, prune, cut some branches so it grows better. Intermediate, between the two. Tropical, region on either side of equator. Agree, disagree. People, that is a folk. folk यानी लोग, और इसीलिए देखो folk dance, ऐसे हम सुनते हैं लोक नृत्य. फोक सॉन्ग्स यानी लोक नृत्य या लोगों के जो गाने होते हैं. रिफ्रेश, रिजुविनेट. डिस्टिंक्टिव, recognizably different. Theanine, stimulate, raise the level of the body and biological system. Feel enthusiastic, amusing, funny. Blow, blew, blown. Amazed, surprised. Infuse, to put into hot water until the flavor has passed into the water. Heal, cure. Restorative, make you feel strong and healthy again. Antidote, a substance that control the effect of poison, disease. Vishahar, legend, very famous story or the person. Disciple, followers, shishya. Bargain, negotiate. Barter system, vastu vinimay paddhat. Host, that is to arrange. Keep, eager. At first I disliked her, but soon grew fond of her. At first I found it difficult. At least. You must read at least a page every day. Give me at least 100 rupees. To be famous for. Chinchwad is famous for its industries. Nagpur is famous for oranges. As well as she was good at maths as well as drawing. She sang as well as danced. Come down, handed down by tradition, inheritance. The management of the temple came down to our family. The stories came down from my great grandparents. To be taken up with something, to find something attractive and interesting. At first, learning guitar was boring, but soon I was taken up with it. He were taken up with the new house. Set up, that is to establish. I set up a new business. Mahatma Phule set up a school for girls. Take over, take control of company or country. China took over the mobile market. Tanaji took over Kondhana fort. We have finished the first part of the lesson. Okay, half of the lesson we have finished with. So you will read the lesson and the words at least 10 times. And I have made slash lines. So according to the slash lines, you will take the pause and you will read. You will use the phrases, okay, all these phrases or idioms in your own sentences and construct your own sentence. Thank you.